Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking all about this super big and gorgeous hair. So thank you so much to Luv Me Hair for sponsoring today's video. Before we jump into it, if you are not already an Angel babe, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell, sis, so you'll be notified each time that I upload. But before we jump into the details on this hair, let's go ahead and talk about packaging. So many of you guys commented on my Instagram story and on my Snapchat about how gorgeous this packaging was, and girl, here it is. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful, you guys. Like, this is so luxe. Like, their packaging is everything. I am a sucker for some good packaging, you guys. This thing literally feels like velvet. Like, I have not seen any hair company top this packaging yet, okay? And I absolutely love the purple and gold. So of course your unit will come in this packaging right here. They also provide you with wig caps for your unit, and yes sis, you get two, not one. And this is like the perfect color for my skin tone. I didn't use this one in today's video because I already have a bunch of these around the house. And then I also have this in my packaging. This is just so cute. Like, I love a brand that takes pride in their packaging and just take pride in the way that they brand themselves. So they also give you this silk head wrap right here. This is super cute and can be used to lay baby hairs and also at night to maintain your unit. You also get a edges brush. As you guys see, I did not do baby hairs on this unit. You also get tweezers just in case you need to go ahead and pluck some hairs from the lace. They also give you bobby pins. You guys, everything is branded so well. Like, I'm literally shook. The packaging is gorgeous. And then you also get just an elastic band just in case you want to sew this inside the unit and you want like a tighter fit. And then the last thing that I got was this cute little hair clip. It's like this gem or rhinestone hair clip. I actually think I was going to go for baby hairs, you guys, but I actually really love the natural look that this gives. So I'm just gonna go ahead and as a matter of fact, honey, we are just gonna go ahead and stick her right here. That is super cute, y'all. They also have this little booklet to tell you how to care for the hair, as well as their refund and return policy. And lastly, it also has this cute little note that says, enjoy your hair journey from now on, the founder of Luv Me Hair. I am a sucker for packaging, you guys, and I just feel like I just unwrapped Christmas gifts right now. Let's go ahead and jump into the details about this unit. So this is a Afro curly texture unit, and this unit is 20 inches. It is also a glueless HD lace front wig. By the way, you guys, I am going to go ahead and insert some clips of me actually installing the hair. It was super hard to install this hair while already having my makeup done, you guys. So I did my best on catching some clips of what I did have. At first, I was going to actually use some more water and like defining products to actually define the curls. I like to use the Aussie Scrunch Mousse and just some plain old water. But because I actually enjoyed and I actually liked how the hair looked once I kind of start messing with it and finger combing it and playing with it, and it just got bigger and bigger, I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and rock this hair as is. And normally I'm not usually a big fan of super big hair or kinky curly hair when it comes to a lace front unit, but I absolutely love this one, you guys. It is super big, super grand, but I also still do love that there is some type of curl pattern to it. So you do still see the curls, as you guys can see throughout. Although the hair is really big, it is still defined. Also, you guys, this is the blackest hair. Like, when I was installing this hair, I was like, oh my gosh, this hair is so black. It is so dark, and I love it. I feel like it looks so good on my skin tone. to me actually installing this unit, I did go ahead and shampoo it and moisturize it, condition it really good. And of course, I love my Aussie products, so I use the Aussie shampoo and conditioner. I let the conditioner sit overnight, and this hair is super moisturized, you guys. The curls are very voluptuous, they're very bouncy. I also did go ahead and bleach the knots, although I feel like I did not need to do that because of the quality of this lace, but I still go ahead and did it because I'm just kind of used to doing that to all of my units anyway. This unit, you guys, was so low maintenance, and that is not a very easy thing to say when it comes to curly hair, because sometimes curly hair can be very high maintenance. So if you're a girl that really likes to wear her hair big like this, and you just kind of enjoy the hair in its natural state, this will be a low maintenance unit. You really don't need to go ahead and bleach the knots like I did. You literally can put this wig on out the box, like literally, and it's also glueless, so you do not have to do too much at all. This wig is perfect for beginners. You don't have to glue it. The lace, like what lace? Stop playing with me, okay? This is just super gorgeous, girl, and I feel like as I wear her more, she just get bigger and bigger. And I love the 20 inches. I love that it's not too long, and I also love that it's not too short. I did not cut this hair. Normally sometimes I do cut the ends off, but the ends are gorgeous on this hair, you guys. And right now Luv Me is hosting their Black Friday sale on their website, so go ahead and get what you need to get. You can wait for the sale if you choose to, but if you want this unit, I advise you to go ahead and get it before it's sold out. As always, I'll be sure to link everything in my description bar below. The units are starting at about $49.99, you guys, so for some good quality hair, and this is actually the lowest price that they're going to have these units all year, so you do not need to wait. You don't need any extra codes or anything. Just go on the website. Everything is already pretty much marked down as is. And I will also leave the website's flash sale link down in my description bar below as well. That is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and comment down below if you guys enjoyed seeing me try something different here on my channel and trying a different look. I definitely enjoyed it, stepping out of my comfort zone, trying some super big hair, trying something different. So comment down below and let me know if you like it. Like I said, everything will be linked down in my description bar below, so check it out. Be sure to follow your dreams. Be blessed, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.